Hello guys, today we are in Pisa in Italy and we are going to drive down to the south of France and we're going by the French Riviera, so I think that will be quite beautiful. And it's like a 4-hour drive, I think. So yeah, we better just get started. And by the way, the car is really dirty now. After driving through Denmark and Germany and Austria and now Italy, and we're going into France today. So the car is quite nice. It's not ugly, but it's quite dirty. Look at this. Look at all the bugs and everything. It's a total mess. I don't want to wash it here because I think it's seriously just too hot, because it's like 35 degrees Celsius or something. So yeah, it's so hot that I think the soap I use would just attach itself to the car. So today me and my girlfriend are going along on this ride and I think it'll be, yeah, quite nice. So let's go and hopefully we will see a lot of nice roads. Hopefully better roads than it has been like down in Italy, because that's not good at all. Like the road down from Venezia to Pisa was, yeah, not very good, to be honest. They're like decent and okay, but not very good. So yeah. But now let's go and hopefully it will be better roads in France, and it will be my first time in France as well. So I'm excited. By the way, I feel like I didn't give Pisa enough credit. We were here yesterday and that was quite beautiful. We looked at the leaning tower of Pisa, of course, because we are tourists and that is the main thing to see here in Pisa. So the area in general and like the old town and stuff like that were quite beautiful. So pretty cool to see the leaning tower of Pisa. And but as I said, we were in Firenze yesterday, and then we drove here at night or in the evening. So we have been seeing Pisa. We're not just stopping by and then going again. So we have actually been seeing a little bit of Pisa and it was very, very nice. But now the car started today, so that's very good. And yeah, now it's time to go to France to visit yet another country on the road trip of 2019. Okay, so apparently in Italy, when you go to the gas station, they wash your windshield for you and they fill up your car for you. That's a nice gesture. I'm not used to that. So now he is actually washing my windshield, and yeah, what a nice country. Now we're actually in Italy still, but we are going down to, we just passed Genova. So now we're going like down the country again in Italy and into France. So we are now on the highway, just gonna find a place to eat some lunch, and then we're going to go down on the back roads and to find the most beautiful scenery that we can find. So that'll be nice. I'm looking forward to it. as you saw, we found the back road that we wanted to find, but it was literally, I don't know, 4 minutes, and we already found a beautiful place where we can go take a bath and go for a swim. So we are now parked the M3, and we found some cheap parking. So that's really nice. And now we're still in Italy though, but soon we are going to France. But now we're going to take a short break, and then we are going into France today. We need to check in to the hotel by 6 o'clock tonight, so we are a little bit stressed out about that, but we're gonna try to enjoy ourselves. I mean, look at this, it's so beautiful here, very beautiful. This is seriously the Italian Riviera slash French Riviera, I don't know. It's a Riviera, it's very beautiful here, look at this. It's so cool also to think that I drove here with my own car. Like, this beater got me here. That's really cool. Let me just open the trunk for her. It's so cool that this car got me here. Very, very cool. And we go turn the other way. And we have beaches. Oh yeah. So now we're gonna go for a swim, and then we are going to drive a little bit more. Try to take a beautiful photo of the two of us that I can use as my thumbnail, hopefully. So let's see how that photo turns out.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my
Yeah. Oh. Okay, so we finally made it.
Okay, vi bara se på vägen.
Okay, we finally made it to France. So now we are like 30 minutes, 40 minutes away from the hotel. So we are not far, but very nice to be going all the way from Norway to France. So far we have been driving 2,800 kilometers, and we are about halfway there because we're going to drive to Paris and then Hamburg and then home again. Okay, so we are looking forward to some nice days here in Nice, and we are going to visit Monaco and Cannes as well, I think. And my goal of the whole trip is to drive the famous U-turn in the Grand Prix track in Monaco. So hopefully that road is open. I don't know, I think it is. And then I can drive my E46 M3 down those curves. So that'll be quite fun if I manage to do it. But yeah, I know it's not a track line right now. I think it's just a regular road. But anyways, I'm gonna do it because I think that would be pretty cool. So yeah, looking very much forward to some nice days here in France.
Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability.
To the hotel finally, and to be honest, it's quite different driving in France than, yeah, or in general other countries than Norway. Is quite different, but it's cool. So now we're gonna check in, and yeah, hopefully the hotel room is looking good. I think it is. There's actually Jaguar F-Type R right there. It's pretty cool. Look at that. It's a pretty cool car. Oh my god, it's a BMW M3. That's a pretty cool car.